Good morning, children. So again we start with a little bit of heart was left. So we finish with that and then we go to lymphatic system. Okay. So what is there? What have we have to do in heart? That is the pacemaking system. Is it? Pacemaker we will learn about. So what is a pacemaker? We have our heart is the movement of the heart, the beating of the heart is not controlled in mammals. It's not controlled by the brain. It is under the control of the certain muscles located in the heart itself. I'll explain in more detail. That is why our heart is called myogenic heart. Myo term is used for muscles. Myogenic. It is the impulse is generated, the impulse needed for the contraction of heart, the contraction and relaxation for the chambers are generated by the heart muscles itself. That is why our heart is a myogenic heart. Okay, so let us see what is there. So in the heart, here we again, this is a diagrammatic representation of the heart. This is the heart muscle where auricular muscle is thin and ventricular muscle is thick. Okay, this is the auricular septum and this is ventricular septum. This is the ventricular septum, is it? Okay, we have to. Now, this is the tricuspid valve. This is the bicuspid valve. We are not showing anything else. These are the openings of the vena cava, superior, inferior. Right over here, here is on the wall of right auricle. This is right auricle, is it? On the wall of right auricle, there is present a nodular structure. Nodular structure means node-like, a roundish structure. And we call this nodular structure as sino-auricular node. In short, we call it as SAN or we can call it as SA node. Sino-auricular node. Is it alright? There is another nodular structure. This is actually my heart muscle. This is the muscle which has taken a nodular form, and there is another at the junction almost in the right auricle, just above the junction of auricle and ventricle. There is another nodular structure. It is slightly smaller than this, and this is known as atrioventricular node. In short, we call it as AVN. Now, from the atrioventricular node arises a bundle, is it alright, which bifurcates into two. And it enters into, what is this? This is the ventricular septum. See, we are not including everything. This is the ventricular septum. What is ventricular septum? The wall which is ventricular septum. What is ventricular septum? The wall which divides the two ventricles, is it? So here what happens, this is this is a fibrous structure arising and it is getting divided into two, the left and the right. Here it goes like this, is it? And then it goes towards, one goes towards the left side, one goes towards the right side, where they branch like this. In the ventricular wall, not in the auricular wall. They branch like this in the ventricular wall. So what are the things I have shown you? SA node located in the right atrium close to superior vena cava, the AV node located in the right atrium, they are not located in any other chambers. They are only located in right atrium. So, okay, where is it present? Why atrioventricular node? That means it is atrio means atrium, ventricular, ventricle. So, almost at the junction of atrium and ventricle it is present, but towards the right atrium. From here arises fibrous structures, is it? This fibrous structure is known as the bundle of His, HIS, is it? And bundle, this is the right bundle of His, this is the left one, and then it branches to form the Purkinje's fiber. Purkinje's fibers, is it clear? These branches which are running in the wall of left ventricle is known as Purkinje's fiber. Now see what happens. I told you this is the heart muscle itself. This is which has become little nodular. Muscles have ability to contract and relax, but this nodular structure cannot contract and relax. Is it clear? Instead, what it does, what is the function of this? It can generate impulse. Impulse for what? In class 9, if you remember, in muscular system you have done that when the muscle, see, this is the heart. If you see the wall of the heart is made up of muscle. What muscle? Cardiac muscles. Is it clear? Cardiac muscles. Now, what is the function? What is the characteristic of muscles? Muscles, when they get impulse, they contract. Is it? And when the impulse stops, they relax. There is no separate impulse to stop. What is this? Impulse is generated, muscle contract. Impulse is stopped, muscle relax. Usually these impulses are generated by different parts of the brain, which it depends that what kind of muscle is contracting. But here in this case, the impulse is generated in the heart itself. That is the reason when, if you have, you must have seen this also, when the human heart is taken out for time being, it is taken out from the body, you will find it keeps pumping. Is it in spite of it, like there is no connection with the body, it is taken out from the body, still it can beat for some time. Is it clear? The reason is the impulse is generated in the heart, not in the brain. That is why it is myogenic. And where is it generated? It is generated in the sino-auricular node, that is SAN, in the sino-auricular node. Now as the impulse is generated, the impulse is spread in the auricular wall. It doesn't cross the auricular wall. It doesn't go into the ventricle. Is it? So sino-auricular node is generating impulse, the impulse is spread in auricular wall. The walls of left auricle and right auricle, in the auricular wall. Is it? So the muscles of the wall of auricle receive the impulse, and what will happen if it is receiving the impulse? It will start to contract. At the same time, you must be remembering this impulse has not gone to the wall of ventricle. It is limited in the wall of auricle itself. Is that clear? So what happens? The auricles are contracting, but the ventricles are not contracting. They are relaxed. Is it clear? Okay. So this stays for some time. The impulse stays for some time. It makes the auricular muscle contract. The chambers contract, sending the blood down. Is it all right? Whatever. Now the impulse is received by AV node, which is located in the right auricle itself. Is it clear? And now the AV node generates its own impulse. Is it all right? So what is happening? AV node receives impulse from SA node, and then it starts to generate its own impulse. Is it clear? So both are not generating at the same time. This has generated, has sent. Is it clear? And after a while, AV node is generating. Is it? Now what happens? I'm sorry. Now what happens? This AV node starts to generate impulse. By the time AV node start to generate impulse, SA node stops generating impulse. Come back to this once again. Is it clear? Now what has happened? Initially SA node has generated impulse. It has sent an impulse through the wall of auricles. Wall of auricles means the cardiac muscles. Muscles, when they get impulse, they contract. So as the wall of auricle, the muscles of auricle has received the impulse, they have started to contract. But this impulse has not gone to the ventricle. Is it all right? So ventricles are relaxing. Now this impulse has come into AV node also. Is it all right? So AV node will now start generating its impulse. So they are not generating impulse at the same time. This is generating after a while, and now when this starts generating impulse, this stops generating impulse. Is it clear? So when this stops generating impulse, no impulse is going to the auricular muscles. Auricular muscles start to relax. Is it clear? And simultaneously what is happening, this has stopped generating impulse and this has started generating impulse. And what about it? The impulse which is generated is carried, this is septum, ventricular septum, through the septum, through the wall, goes down bundle of His. So what is happening? AV node which has generated impulse, now this impulse is carried by the bundle of His and then to the Purkinje's fiber to the wall of ventricle. Now what is happening? When SA node has stopped generating impulse, auricles now slowly relax because the auricular wall is not getting any impulse. But AV node at the same time has started generating impulse. Is it clear? Now this AV node, when it generates impulse, it is sending through bundle of His into the cardiac, into the wall of ventricles. So wall of ventricles are now receiving impulse. These are not receiving impulse, these are receiving impulse. Is it clear? So ventricles now contract and auricles are relaxed. Is it clear? Okay, so this goes like that. SA node generating impulse, making auricular wall contract. After a while, AV node generates impulse. By the time AV node starts generating impulse, this stops. Is it clear? As it stops, the auricle relaxes, and as it starts, the ventricle starts to contract. Is it clear? So ventricular diastole, auricular systole. When this is generating impulse, auricular systole, ventricular diastole. So this goes like this. Is it clear? So one thing, the impulse generated by AV node is more stronger. Why? Because the ventricular walls are more, they are more thicker. The contraction has to be, more stronger, because the blood has to be sent to further part of the body, farthest part of the body. Now, what is the thing here? SA node, actually the impulse generation has started from SA node, because AV node is depending on SA node. The generation of impulse has started from SA node. AV node generate impulse only when it gets from SA node. Is it clear? So pace, the rhythm making is done by, the rhythm of contraction and relaxation is done by SA node. Is it all right? That is why SA node is known as the pacemaker. Whenever we are talking about pacemaker, we think of the machine which is installed in our heart, isn't it? So it is not that, it is not that machine, it is not a pacemaker. When SA node is not working properly, not generating impulse properly, if SA node is not generating an impulse properly, AV node will be affected. Then what happens? Machine means an artificial pacemaker is inserted. That is different. We have a natural pacemaker in our heart. We have a natural pacemaker. And what is that pacemaker? That is SAN. So this question, if it is asked, what is the pacemaker of your heart? Which is the pacemaker of your heart? It is not AV node. It is SA node. So this is what is the, so what are the things we have done in this? SA node, AV node, bundle of His, Purkinje's fiber. These are involved in systole and diastole of the heart chambers.